Hey, hello and welcome to another video. Yeah, it's summer. I'm here with my Tesla Model 3 Performance, my new car. And it has this really nice Pirelli tires on there. Schöne, dicke Reifen und geile Felgen. Here are the Pirelli tires. I've washed the car, as you can see. Very beautiful, this paint, or this Ultra. And these tires, as you can see, they look good, but now I'll make them look even better. This is a spray. I do not recommend spraying it directly on the tire because it drips, and then drips on your wheels. So just use an applicator pad. Spray a little bit in the pad. So, sehr schön. We're going to apply it on the tire. Move it. Very nice, this Mafra Black 3 Plus. And you can already see here, as we apply it, how the sidewall starts to come alive again. It really gets this color depth back. And this Mafra Black 3 Plus, as you can see, it has small droplets. It's not very fat, and I actually oversprayed already, so you can actually use less than what I did, which makes it very economical. So now just go around the tire, apply the product. And if you want to get here underneath, you can move the tire a little bit when you're done. So, now I feel like I need another spray, so I'll put a little bit more in there. And if you do it with a pad like I'm doing, nothing going to drip on this beautiful wheels also. Let me know what's your favorite summer tire. I always used to drive with Michelin's. And I had Pirelli in the winter. Now, because of these stock tires on the Tesla Model 3 Performance, I'm having these Pirelli P Zero tires. And so far, what I'm seeing is I really like it. They perform really well. I haven't really driven them yet in the wet, primarily on the dry. So maybe I'll have a different experience there. So, also underneath. Sehr schön. Also doesn't really matter too much if you go a little bit higher and it hits the tread. Just keep in mind that one should drive away, and if it's still wet it may sling up some of this product and it might get on the paint. And another thing that's really good, a trick, you can spray here and then you can fold the applicator pad. And then you can go here very carefully also, here in the crease. And here also this part of the tire, you can even use, let's say, your finger and push it in, because this is an area of the tire that often doesn't get any product, and like this it's also very well protected. Here you can see we managed to get all the way in there and go around it like this. So see, this is a little bit of sunscreen for your tires. It's very good. Now we're going to let this dry a bit. I'll do the other tires. Alright, I'm going inside to grab myself a Coke. And after 10-15 minutes I come back and we take a look at the final result together. Sehr schön. So, I'm back. I got myself a cola for my reward for my 10-minute tire dressing activity. Doesn't take too long, but it's very nice and totally worth it. I highly recommend you do this in the summer. You can also do it in the winter. Then expect it not to last as long, of course, as in the summer. But still, I mean, you're doing a good thing for your tires, and it's fun. It looks beautiful also. And let's check it out here. The rear tire. You can really see that. So before you do these tires, it's hard to read the imprint and the specs of the tires. But after you do this, it just pops, and that's so nice. And if you have sporty tires and nice wheels, absolutely beautiful. You can see nice matte finish. Well, I'm just blown away by this color also. It's so beautiful. I mean, the summer is magic, but with this Tesla Model 3 Performance and Ultra, it gets even better. Here also, see, okay, there I went a bit overboard. It's a bit smooshy, as you can see, not so nice, but still it dries up nicely. And you can expect this to hold. I mean, in the summer, 4 weeks is definitely possible. Your tires will keep on looking nice. So here, on the side one more time. Oh, look in the evening sunlight, how beautiful. Can you see it? So nice, so beautiful. And it takes less than 10 minutes, guys. Less than 10 minutes, and it doesn't matter what car you drive and what tires you have, it will look so good. And everybody will say like, wow, what are these tires and this nice car that you have? And it's totally worth it. That's it. That's my small tutorial and my small ritual that I wanted to share with you, how I dress these summer tires on my cars. It's very good. You protect them against UV. You protect them against premature aging, especially if they're standing in the hot sun and you don't have a garage. They look very beautiful. And yeah, I hope you can feel how passionate I am about it, and I hope you'll give it a try too. I can highly recommend this one, but get any other premium brand also and experiment what you like the most. Maybe you like it shiny, maybe you like it matte like I do. And write me in the comments which ones you like most and share a picture. And I'm looking forward to seeing you in my future videos. Grazie mille e arrivederci. Ciao!